Hi everyone, just a quick video on how to enter in the levels. So if you go on Discord for SPY levels, see this little button here, click it, then go to your trading view. Assume you already have the indicator up. So it's SRX levels. You're going to see this over here. Click on the little settings icon. Then go to SR levels, highlight it all, delete, so you start from fresh, and then paste it, and then OK. And then your levels pop up. The few things that I was looking at for my settings, I'm doing show buy sell signals, and then I did the signals SR zones. You could do any of these signals that you like. And then if you have a paid plan, you could go to alerts, do SR levels for the condition. And then you could do any of these for conditions. SR zone touch, SR zone cross touch. Buy sell signal might be the easier way if you're busy throughout the day. So if you do buy signal, whenever you see a green arrow, it'll tell you in an alert. If you're on a paid plan, you could also do another one with the sell signal, so you'll be able to see both. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you guys later.